Google Pixel 7a key specifications leaked. The Google Pixel 7a is set to be announced at the Google I/O 2023 event in May, and ahead of its launch, the specifications have been leaked. A Twitter user has revealed information about the smartphone's display, camera, software, processor, and charging speeds. Additionally, the design of the Google Pixel 7a has previously been revealed through press renders, meaning that almost all details about the forthcoming smartphone are now available before its launch. As per information provided by Twitter user Debayan Roy, the Google Pixel 7a is expected to have specifications that are similar to the flagship Pixel 7 series. The Pixel 7a is anticipated to have a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and renders indicate that it will have a punch-hole display with a central cutout for the selfie camera. The leakster claims that the Pixel 7a will be equipped with the same Google Tensor G2 chip that powers the Pixel 7 series, which is jointly manufactured by Google and Samsung. Additionally, it is expected that Google will utilize faster LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage modules. Based on these details, the Pixel 7a is expected to be comparable to a value flagship. The Pixel 7a is rumored to have a dual camera setup at the back, including a 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 primary camera and a 12MP ultrawide camera, but details about the front camera are not yet known. The Pixel series has a reputation for its advanced computational photography features, and the Pixel 7a is anticipated to have a similar set of camera features as its pricier counterparts. The smartphone will come with Android 13 pre-installed and will have exclusive AI-assisted features. Additionally, the smartphone will feature 5W wireless charging. In terms of design, there may be some minor changes, but overall it is expected to be similar to the previous model, with the rear visor resembling that of the Pixel 7 series. As for availability, Google usually refreshes its Pixel A series smartphones during its annual I/O conference in the middle of the year, where it showcases its progress and projects and gives a glimpse of the latest Android build, culminating in a hardware launch. It is anticipated that the Google Pixel 7a will follow this pattern, launching during the conference held at the Google headquarters in San Francisco in 2023.